guys, so today I'm here with my sister again, and as many of you know, we have bleached our hair, so there's a price to pay to achieve this hair right here, because we had to bleach her hair twice and then we had to dye it to the shade that she likes. But this is not the end result yet, we're just letting her hair rest for a while. However, I customized this hair care routine for her, which is exactly what we're going to be sharing with you guys. How she saved her hair from looking like this right here. This was the image of hair before when we were bleaching it, to now looking like this right here. So that is really a great before and after comparison of her hair and what it looked like. And actually her hair care routine is very low-key. So if you guys are into this as well, like if you are going for the more kind of like the less expensive type of way in you know, maintaining your bleach hair, this is it. Okay, so for the shampoo, I told her to buy the sulfate-free purple shampoo for her hair, just because that is going to preserve really the color of her hair, so that it's not going to look brassy or anything. As you guys can see, I actually like the bottom part, especially right here. Yes, it's a really nice color. And then what else are you doing, Manangwar?
So after shampooing my hair, I'm using hair mask, which is a keratin hair mask,
which is right here.
Yes. So that's what I'm using, replacing for the conditioner. Actually, don't use conditioner. I just use the keratin to moisturize my hair.
Yes. All right. So let's talk about the serum first before the oil. So this is the serum that I am letting her use last time, and this is formulated really
to repair and rescue your damaged hair. So this is a repair rescue to so this is to rescue your damaged hair.
Actually, this is really great to use if your hair is really dry, extremely dry. Now, this is not a serum, but this is an oil. This is the restorative hair and scalp oil treatment. This is probably one of my favorite oils that I personally like using on my hair, and I also use this on my sister's hair, and she really likes it.
Really recommended. It's like just wow.
And also with this, you just have to use a little. That's the thing about this. It's not oily that would weigh down your hair, but enough just to moisturize and hydrate your hair again, especially if your hair is dry. It also makes your hair really soft and smooth. It can also help tame down flyaways, which is really great.
So the second one is this. It's also a hair treatment oil, and it has an argan oil ingredients to it. And it's really nice because it makes your hair really smooth as well.
Yeah. And also, argan oil is actually really great to use if your hair is damaged or if your hair is dry as well. So all of these products right here are amazing to use if your hair is maybe probably heat damage, or if you have been dyeing your hair consistently or hair a lot. I think those are just the products, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I think one of the secrets is not just on the products that you're using, but also the consistency on how you use them. I also told my sister that throughout the whole week, especially when we were prepping her hair for the next bleach, to just simply overload her hair, or to put serum serum, and also to put oils on her hair every single day, okay? And just put her hair into a protective hairstyle, which is a braid. That's exactly what I told her to do. Just braid your hair to avoid breakage or to avoid your hair getting tangled. Because, you know, once your hair is usually dry, you're prone to tangles. I think we haven't really talked about your ends, but have you seen her ends? Her ends are like great. Yeah. Also, by the way, I decided to do a trim on her hair. It's not a big trim, but micro trims, as you guys have seen, really did help a lot. If you've seen her hair before, as I've flashed it right here, it made a world of difference, and I didn't even cut much of its length. Don't hesitate to trim your ends when you know it's needed.
You know, this hair care routine that you gave me really did help me a lot. You know, to bring this hair up to this point, you know, that it's not really damaged. Okay, so what we did was really damaging, really damaging to the hair, but because of this hair care routine, so it really helped me save you know, my hair, like
Yeah.
80. So I am just so thankful. It's like the best, you know.
You could also remind the people that you need to look or, you know, turn to specific products that sometimes are salon based because they would really help your hair. I mean, it's good to go for the natural route and all, but there are certain products that are specifically made to help people who have dyed their hair or who have bleached their hair, or if you are into chemically treating your hair as well. And let us know what you think of my sister's hair right now. If you have been following her bleaching hair journey, I'm gonna link that video down below. This is what her hair looks like right now. And by the way, we are letting her hair rest before dyeing her hair back again, especially her roots, because this is not the final product yet. But I mean, like, just the texture of her hair right now and how smooth it is actually after the whole bleaching that we did. I mean, like, this is still great.
Even though this video is short, we hope that it will help you guys.
Oh yeah, and also by the way, if you guys are interested in all the products that we've mentioned here in the video, I'm gonna put that in the description box down below. And as usual, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to a friend if you found this content valuable. And we will see you again on our next video. Bye!